We had 4 different industrial revolutions up to this point, and now we are on the verge of the 4th industrial revolution, which is going to be all of the machines talking to each other in form of an automation. This is the future of the manufacturing job in the whole world, not just United States. So at Cypress College, we have a different approach in teaching automation. We have 2 different routes. One is going to be automation through robotics, and the other one is going to be a technician who can run and design the automation lines. We have 2 types of students. One group come from high school. The other group are people who are working in the industry and they want to come back and learn a little more. As far as the high school student goes, they are going to start with the introduction to embedded system. What is automation? How does it work? And then they move on to learn about the pneumatic systems, mechanical systems, electricity, and then they learn about the PLC programming, how all of these are connected to each other. Then they learn about the robots, how they operate, and eventually they can end up in learning about Industry 4.0 and the transition of almost all manufacturing to the next generation. The training of the future workforce has lots of digital component to it. The student needs to have hands-on, because it's not just you sitting behind your computer and running things. You have to know how things can be changed. So here in Cypress College, I started this MechaTronics robotics and automation program. Now, what is MechaTronics? It's mechanical, electronic, a combination of the 2. Nowadays, you cannot find any equipment, doesn't matter you are mechanical engineer, you are electrical engineer, they all are intertwined with each other. Combination of a mechanical objects, actuators, motors, with electronics and some coding if needed to connect the 2 together. If you are interested in this program, you must still be good at math, physics, and you have a good understanding of the systems that work around you. Once you complete this program, the jobs that you can expect to find are about electromechanical engineer, electromechanical repairman and technician, other thing that relates to an automated system. Almost all industries are open to this kind of a training. At Cypress College, we offer several different types of certificates and 1 degree. We have our own Cypress College certificates, which is going to be in robotics, it's going to be in automation, and then eventually you can earn an associate science in mechatronics, automation, and robotics upon completing the courses over here and some GE packages.